Hello students, today we are going our chapter 6, that is more on HTML5. In this chapter we will learn about how you will make your web pages more attractive, creating sections on a web page, creating different types of lists on a web page. So let's start. HTML is a markup language for creating web pages. It was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. To work with HTML, we need two tools, an HTML editor and a web browser. We write the codes in editor and publish them on the browser. We have already learned about the following tags and attributes for creating HTML. What are the tags of HTML? I am going to tell you. First is HTML tag. It is a container tag used to start the HTML document. Next is head tag. It is a container tag also that includes the head section of the HTML document. Next is title tag. It is a container tag that encloses the title of the web page that appears in the title bar of the web browser. Next is body tag. It is a container tag that encloses the text, images, videos, etc. that make up a web page. Next is B tag. This tag is used to bold your tags, I for italic and U for underline. Next is BR tag. This tag is used to insert a line break. Means if you want to go in second line, you have to use BR tag. Next is tags and attributes. The instructions in HTML are known as tags. Each tag gives a specific instruction and is enclosed within angle bracket. There are two types of tags, container tag and empty tag. Container tag, they are used in pairs, but empty tag are not used in pairs. In container tag we have to use starting tag and ending tag, but in empty tag we have to use only starting tag. For example, if you want to underline your tag, simply you have to use U tag, then you have to give your tags, then you have to close your U tag like this. But in empty tag, like here it's given BR tag, means to insert a break line, you want to go in another line, a second line, so you have to use BR tag. Here we will use some attributes. What are the attributes? Attributes are the keywords that impart extra functionally to the tabs. They are placed inside the elements opening tag and provide additional information about the element. Tags are not case sensitive. This means that B is same as B. Like you can use small b or you can use capital B. Means you can use any type of letter, uppercase or lowercase. Next is more about tags and attributes. Like here some attributes given for body tag. Body tag is used to contain a web page content including hyperlink, images, tables, tags, etc. Here given some attribute of the body tag like bg color, text and background color. By using bg color, you can give the background color for your web page. If you want to give the color in background, you have to use body, then space, then bg color, then you have to give the color name. Like here is given pink, you can give red, green, any color name. If you want to use text color, you have to use here text. It is used to give the body text attribute color This attribute will color all the text in the HTML page in one color. Like if you want to text color, give any color. Like here given is green, you can give any color name here, like red, yellow, any color name you can give here. If you want to give the any image in background, like this is the image, it's given in the background of the page. So you have to use here background attribute, background, background, body, then background, then you have to give the location of the picture where you have save your picture. Like it's given C flower.jpg, means C is the location and file name is flower, and jpg is the extension of that file. And your background picture will be inserted in the background. Some heading tags are given also here, like HN, heading number, means there are 6 levels of heading numbers, H1 to H6. If you want to give any number, like this is given H1, this is the largest heading size, then you have to close your H1 tag because it is also a container tag. H2 it is the second largest, H3 this is the third largest. Like this you can use H1 to H6, and this is the output. First is H1, second is H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. This is the size of the heading. You can use any number of the heading. There are 6 levels of heading number, H1 to H6. Align attribute. By using align attribute, you can place a text in left, right or center. If you want to give any align, you can use, like here is given H6, then align, then center. So your heading number 6 will be in center, like this. This is the heading number 6 and it is in center. Next is font tag. Font tag defines the font size, color and text and the face of the text in HTML document. This tag is also commonly referred to as the font element. There are some attributes also is given, like face, color, size. Face is used to specify the font type of the text. Like if you want to give any type, you have to give font, then face. Then here is given Comic Sans MS. This is the font name. You can use any name here, like you can use Arial or Times New Roman, any font name you can use here. Color, it is used to specify the font color for the text. Font face is given, then color is red is given here. You can give any color name here. And then size. Size is used to specify the font size for the text. The font size is specified in numbers ranging from 1 to 7. 1 is the smallest font size and 7 is the largest font size. Next is paragraph tag. If you want to create a paragraph, you have to use paragraph tag, that is only P. To create paragraph in HTML document, we use on tag P to make the beginning of the paragraph, and off tag means you have to close the P tag to make the end of a paragraph. Syntax like P, then you have to write a text, then close P. For closing the P, for off you will use slash. The line attribute of the paragraph tag allow you to align a paragraph. I have told you about the alignment. You can set any alignment, left, right or center. By default it's left, but you can change your alignment in right or center. If you want to use horizontal line, so you have to use HR tag. This is your empty tag, no need to close this tag. Simply you have to give HR, and you can give here size also, HR and size, then number. What are the sizes? I'll tell you. Size allow you to define the thickness of the horizontal line in pixels. HR then size, it's given 6. Width, you can give here width also. Width allow you to define the length of the horizontal line as in percentage with respect of the entire screen, like it's given HR size 6 with 80%. Alignment you can set left, right, center. You can give color also, like it's given HR size 6 with 80% align center, then color is red. When you will save your file, it shows on the your computer screen like this. Next is making list. You can make the list in HTML also. There are three types of list: order list, unordered list, and description list. Order list. An order list contains items in a numbered manner. It is defined using OL tag. OL tag is a container tag ordered list beginning with a OL tag and end tag with a /OL tag. Every item in the list is represented by LI tag, which stands for list item. The basic tag is written in the form of LI, then your tags, then LI close. And the list item is inserted between the opening and closing tag. You can use some attribute also here like type, then start type. Specify the type of number to be used with ordered list. First is given 1, define the item number, it is by default. You can use capital A for uppercase, you can use small a for lowercase, you can use capital I for Roman number uppercase, you can give small I for lowercase Roman number. It will shows like this. You have to write this coding. One attribute is there also, start attribute. It is defined the starting number for the type attribute, like you have given OL type number, then starting number, like you have to give in here starting 5 HR OL start 5 type 1 means you have to use numbering 1 2 3 4 5 and it numbers will start from 5 like this. This is your output 5 6 7 8. You have written here names beetroot, ginger, potato, radish. It's showing here like this. This is your output. Like this you can make any program by using OL tag or UL tag. In unordered list, an unordered list is used to show the items without any order, that is in the form of bullets or other symbols. It is used to list the content in such a way that it looks more organized. You can use here attribute also, but here you can use only type attribute like circle, square or disc. You have to write UL, then type, then style of bullet means like it's given here OL it's given UL type circle, it's given type circle, and here it's given type square. When you will save your file, it look like this. It's disc, circle, then square. These are three types of bullet styles. Next is description list. The description list is used to give description along with the item name. It is defined using the DL tag. Description list start with DL tag and ends with close DL. Description list consists of two parts. First is DT tag with defines the item name, and second is DD tag which defines the description of the item. Like this you can make a program. Firstly you have to give DL for description list, then DD data item, then DT data term, Then in last you have to close your DL tag. Like this you can make your program, it's given in your book. Then you have to save your file. If you want to save your file, simply you have to press Ctrl S. Like I have told you, you have to open notepad, then type this program in notepad, then save your file. When you will save your file, you have to give the extension name of the HTML. .html is the extension name of your file. Simply you have to give the file name, then you have to give extension name of the HTML file. It's remember always that no need to give any space between the file name and extension name. Simply you have to write your name, then extension name .html, then press on OK button. When you will save your file, your file will be open on browser.